For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
Hi, you're watching Newsline Digital. I'm Pratibha. Some of the biggest trends on social media today were the hashtag Save TTD as well as Save Lord Balaji Lands. Why was this trending and what's the controversy all about? Well, the TTD has decided to sell 50 properties that have been donated by devotees to the Tirumala Trust. These are 50 properties that are in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu as well as Himachal. This decision was taken by the TTD recently, but the Hindu activists, BJP leaders and Janasena leaders have called it anti-Hindu and an insult to Hinduism. I'm going to tell you both sides of the story and you can decide on what's right and what's not. The TTD has said that it has decided to sell this property because it is unmaintainable, because there's a threat of encroachment. The BJP, on the other hand, has questioned this move and has also called it politically motivated, also bringing in the Christian credentials of Jagan Mohan Reddy, the Chief Minister, saying the TTD comes under the government. In fact, Pawan Kalyan has also tweeted about it and he said that the government's responsibility is to safeguard lands, not dispose or destroy them. A government cannot hurt the belief and faith of millions of devotees. And he has also put a hashtag, devotion cannot be sold. So this is a concern that has been raised, but the TTD has clarified and has said that this has nothing to do with the government. It has also put out a few facts, including the fact that this is not the first time that property is being sold by the TTD. It started way back in 1974 and until 2014, 129 properties have been sold by the TTD so far. Well, the TTD is also one of the richest boards in the entire country. The question that is being raised by the BJP is there really a cash crunch? TTD is a board that has 14,000 crores in fixed deposits in the banks. It has 8 tons of gold as well. So even if it is facing financial crunch because of the lockdown, why is it that this money is not being liquidated? Why is it that the properties are being sold when this is a donation by the devotees themselves? Raising questions also on why the properties of other religions are not being sold. The clarification that TTD has given out is that this is a decision that was taken a few years ago by the board, and the TTD board even had a few BJP members and also members from the Chandrababu Naidu government. So now it is being politicized without any reason. But what do you think? Do you think that this is a decision that lies solely on Jagan Mohan Reddy, or do you think it is an apolitical reason but it is now being politicized? Do let us know in the comments. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.